Hi, my name is Theo Dragan from AppAwards. I'm here today with Daniele Novaga, co-founder of Stereomood. As you may know, AppAwards gives AppAwards to the most user-friendly applications in the world. Today, I am happy to announce that the winner of this award for the music category is Stereomood. Mr. Novaga, congratulations to you and your team.
Hi Theodore, and thanks a lot to AppAwards for this great award.
Can you tell us a bit more about Stereomood, your company, and yourself?
Well, I'm Daniele Novaga, one of the four Stereomood co-founders, and I'm working for Stereomood as a front-end developer, music and community manager, press and public relation, and so far. You know, in a startup, you have to do as many roles as you can.
Yes.
Stereomood is a startup born in 2009 from the creative mind of Eleonora, our graphic designer, Maurizio and Giovanni, our web developer, and Claudio, who is the Stereomood music manager. At now, Stereomood is the only emotional web radio that suggests you music that best suits your mood and your activity through crowdsourced playlists. We have more than 250,000 users worldwide, especially from USA, Russia, Brazil, Canada, Mexico, and Italy, of course. In particular, we are very popular in Russia and Brazil. And we reach almost 90,000 fans on Facebook and more than 10,000 followers on Twitter.
In your opinion, what sets Stereomood apart from all the other music apps?
Our app is different from the other streaming radios. Surely our unique mood-based music classification, based on the user needs and the good music selection coming from the best international music blogs. With Stereomood, we gamble on a different way to listen and to promote good quality music. We think that our emotional classification are closer to the real user experience than traditional classification for genre, artist, or album, for example. That's the secret of our success in the struggle between Pandora, iTunes, Spotify, and Last.fm. We are strictly focusing on the fact that music can really enhance the way we feel. And we think that nowadays the greatest necessity of music lovers is to conciliate the great quantity of music available with the quality, and Stereomood seems to be a good filter since now.
Mm-hmm.
On the other hand, Stereomood listening experience is an exciting way to promote quality bands without strong commercial support. And through our emotional classification, bands like, I don't know, Fuji Kureta, for example, with one of the large number of bands who sent us their demos, can reach a wider audience. They can reach top position of our playlist as Muse or Radiohead, for example. And Stereomood users are really happy to discover new bands.
And how did you get the inspiration for Stereomood?
Okay, 3 years ago we worked together at MTV in Milan, and in our office there was music playing at any time. And Giovanni, obsessed by the large number of artists you can find on internet, decided at any cost to realize an online tool to listen to, arrange and share the newest tracks from the music blogs. So we start to investigate existing web music service, and we discovered iMachine. But we want to realize something new and more excited than a simple MP3 aggregator. So a great new insight has drawn us towards this first release. Why don't we arrange our MP3 files according to the people's mood and activities? Very simple and common idea, but not yet explored from the other web radios.
Okay, and after you got this inspiration, after you decided to create a new music app based on moods and seeing how many artists there are, what was the next step? So, how did you start Stereomood?
Fortunately, we are a team composed from 2 programmers, 1 designer, and 1 front-end developer. So after In fact, music passion and our web skills had permitted us to create an application like this that is very complex, you know. So after a difficult year of thinking, fighting, and developing things with a friendship that has been tasted, we launched our beta version on March 2009.
Okay. What are the plans for Stereomood? Where is Stereomood heading?
Mm. Well, on October we are going to launch Stereomood's second release with a responsive design for every device, such as mobile phones and iPad, and our personal blog to support the site. You will see a lot of new stuff that I can't anticipate, but our focus is our algorithm that react by the user section. In fact, all these actions, tagging, love, ban, adding to library, are decisive for the playlist order. We need to track as best as we can user habits because emotion and activities are so subjective. And we need to know what is happy or sad for the user. And this algorithm permits to know that if it's used.
Okay. Any tips for developers, for young entrepreneurs starting up their own startup, their own company, web app?
It's very hard to 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 found a startup.
Any words of encouragement then?
Yeah, I think there are not rules, but we can suggest sure rapid prototyping and get things done.
Okay, so just get us something out there, create something. Which web apps do you yourself use?
We realized Stereomood getting inspiration from Last.fm and Anobi, social network for books. But now we love Stumble Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. But the most useful app for us, as long as we live in two different continents, is Dropbox.
Ah, yes. Anybody you or your company would like to thank for helping you win this award?
Oh. We want to thank all of our friends who supported us and stood by us during the last years, especially Giovanni, Romina, Laura, and Sonia. And a special thanks goes to all great guys that for the Stereomood progress have had to bear a situation like, shall we make love? Sorry, wait a minute, I want to play the Make Love playlist.
That comes in handy, you're right. Saves you a lot of time. Do you have any questions for us, for the AppAppeal team?
Yes. When was the first time you guys listened to Stereomood and how did you know about us?
The first time we heard about Stereomood, I can't pinpoint it in time. I joined the company a year and a half back, and I think Stereomood already was reviewed back then. I personally started using Stereomood, I think 6 or 7 months back.
Oh.
And I've been with your chill out playlist, I managed to discover lots of great songs I haven't heard till then. And I was looking for, I was quite asking myself before discovering Stereomood, wouldn't it be cool if I could just discover and find chill out music just one button away? Because otherwise, before Stereomood, I was just searching and surfing YouTube, going through Buddha Bar and Cafe Del Mar and trying to find new songs. And on Stereomood, I just found everything I needed one button away. So yeah, for me it was 6 or 7 months back.
Okay.
And it was a good discovery for me. It helped me save a lot of time. Well, thank you very much for this interview. It was a pleasure. Congratulations on winning the most user-friendly app award, and hope to hear from you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You to your fans.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.